Welcome back to Wave of Wealth. I'm Nick, and today we're going to talk about these two popular e-commerce platforms, guys, Ecwid and Shopify. Which is better and why? So we can see, guys, right here, for example, this is ecwid.com. Start selling online for free. You can get started for free right here, guys. You can see, of course, website. Magnificent, looks amazing. Your free online store is just a few clicks away and everything, guys. Sell anywhere. You can check it out, guys. Grow faster right here and everything. I will leave this part for you to see, just to interface of a website and everything. And of course, Shopify, good old Shopify is here as well. Bring your ideas to life for $1 a month. First month only. Remember that, guys, please. Start free trial section is right here. All-in-one customizable templates, a safe and efficient platform, guys. And I'm aware that you have heard about Shopify and maybe even for Ecwid, guys, but which is better and why? This is why we are here right now, guys, so please listen to me carefully. Right here we can check it out, guys, this amazing article. We can scroll and see reasons to use Ecwid and reasons to use Shopify. So right here we can see for Ecwid, guys, totally free plan available. So there is a totally free plan available for you, guys. We can check it out, guys. Make our account right here and see website settings and everything, guys. You can check it out, guys. For example, this is how your account will look like on my Ecwid.com right here. Dashboard, my sales catalog, marketing reports, guys, website settings, upgrade and everything, sales channels, website, Instagram, guys, and so on and so on. You can see it's really easy to use. It ain't matter if you're a beginner, intermediate, or expert, guys. Anyone can use it, and it's super easy. So as I said, you can check it out. For example, right here, easy online store to launch your business for free, $0 a month, free plan forever. It's your current plan, of course. And you can see venture right here for 21 a month, guys. You can see business, $39 a month, guys. Or you can check it out right here. You can scroll and see for more plans right here. Sorry, for unlimited right here, $89 a month, guys. And as I said, free right here, $0 a month. But what's most important, it's not just some free trial or something like that. Free plan forever. And we can go on our account, guys, right here on Shopify as well, and see, select a plan right here and see basic plan, guys, and everything. You can see down below. Starter, guys, is $5, at least $5 a month. It's not huge amount of money, of course, but the Shopify does not have a free option for you, free plan for you for unlimited time, of course. So keep that in your mind. Much better for creating standalone stores for Shopify, guys. Right here, reasons to use Ecwid. We can see it turns any website into fully featured online store. Yes, that's right, guys. You will see that when you make your account, you can straight away connect your website, or you can just build one straight away. So that's really magnificent. You can sell an unlimited number of products right here on Shopify, and that's really maybe one of the best features that you can actually experience and receive from Shopify, guys. We're talking about it right now. And no charges for using third-party payment gateways, guys. A much better point of sale features. So yes, of course, Shopify is the older app, guys, and everything. I'm going to show you some graph later, but much better point of sale features is definitely a good benefit for you. But this right here, no charges for using third-party payment gateways. Let's check it out, what we think about it. So you can see their plans are here, guys. It said basic, Shopify Advanced, Plus, and everything. You can see down below card rate starting at 2% third-party payment providers, 1% third-party payment providers, 0.6%, and right here at this most expensive Plus plan, guys, 0.2% third-party payment providers. Also, you can see for a starter package, guys, it's 5% third-party payment providers, and yes, it's definitely it's not something that small. I mean, that's a huge amount for some big purchase and everything, guys. And as I mentioned before, there is no similar thing right here. There is no similar thing on Ecwid, guys, so that's a pretty big shout out to Ecwid, guys. Also down below, no limits on product options, guys. Much stronger multi-currency selling tools, of course. Yes, as I said, it's much more growth platform for you, Shopify, guys. But Ecwid is not just getting started. They're here in the game, guys, for plenty of time, and they have plenty of websites, plenty of products, plenty of businesses, guys. But yes, Shopify is maybe bigger in that term in this moment, but Ecwid is definitely trying to catch up. Selling digital files is easier. Abandoned cart saving feature is better. Okay, abandoned card, guys, of course, but selling digital files is easier. So if you're in that business, guys, selling digital files, I would definitely recommend you straight away. I will cut straight to the point, guys. I will definitely recommend you Ecwid for that. Built-in GPDR tools, more dropshipping and print-on-demand options right here. You can see, yes, I mean, free trials, Ecwid, Shopify. You can scroll down below, but there is one really interesting chart that I want to show you. You can see right here, guys. Live website, build will estimates, guys, right here almost 4.5 million for Shopify, and right here Ecwid is approaching 1 million, guys. So there is a less competition, and if you're just getting started, again, Ecwid is a better solution for you. And since this entire channel in this video is focused on people who are just getting started, who are trying to learn how to make money online, I think Ecwid is maybe the better option for you. And first and foremost, guys, they have a free plan for you, unlimited time, and there is no payment for third party, guys. So yes, when we're starting a business, of course, we're just talking about how to save money, how to, of course, pay less than we have to. I mean, Shopify is really trying to extract from you the dollars here and dollars there for this and that. And yes, I mean, that's also legit, but I think Shopify is much more advanced platform for people who are already making some money online, if you understand what I'm talking about here. So definitely my choice for you right now will be Ecwid. Definitely, as I said, guys, two main reasons, as I mentioned before, is this free section, guys, this free plan forever, $0 a month, and also there is no payment for third parties, guys. So again, think about it. Links will be down below in the description section, and decide yourself, guys. But if you go with one or another, you will not make a mistake, but I just think it's much more easier for you to understand how the game works, how the e-commerce works with Ecwid. So write down in the comment section what you think about it. Thank you for watching this video. Until the next time, goodbye.